Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez, and today I have a $10 DIY gift idea for girls, and most of these items are from Dollar Tree. This again was less than $10 to make. Here are the supplies. You're going to need a tin plaque. I did get this from Walmart for $2.97, and that's actually the DIY we're doing. That's where I got my idea. And then I got all of these list pads from Dollar Tree and the magnetic clips as well. I did already have the little clothespins, but they do sell them at Dollar Tree, and any twine of your choice. Okay, let's get started. We're going to remove all the packaging from all of our items, our tin plaque, our list pads, and then our sticky notes. And this one in particular already has a magnet on the back, and this one is loose pages because it is meant to go in a planner. So once we have everything set out, I did play around with the layout at the store, and this is a layout that I like, and coincidentally enough, it's pretty much the same layout that is on the tag for this plaque. I guess it's just what works and what looks good. So once you have your layout set up, grab your magnetic clips and just add your sticky notes and add them on to the plaque itself. That's how easy this portion is. The final layout will be dependent on which sticky notes or list pads you get to add to your sign. That's what I love about DIY projects, and I did want to show you that these magnetic clips work really well. I moved it and they would not move out of place, so these are really good quality. I was going to add the clip to the other list pad, but it was covering the Choose Happy, so I opted not to. And again, you saw me move it and it didn't move out of place. Now you're going to take your twine of choice, and you are going to either wrap it multiple times or once. I went with just once, and you are going to tie it around it. I was going to tie the knot in the front and then just move it so that it would be at the back, but I was afraid maybe I would rip it because the edges, they're not sharp, but maybe they would cut through this twine. So I did end up turning it over and just doing the knot. I do want to suggest to tie a very tight knot so that it doesn't move out of place, and so that the weight of whatever you add to the clips won't bring it down. You can always add little dabs of hot glue to the ends right there just to keep it in place. I didn't feel like it was necessary on my part. Trim off the excess just so that it doesn't show when you finally turn it over. Now I'm going to add some little felt squares because I didn't have any pictures to put on here for you, but let's just pretend that when you see me adding those little felt clips, the little felt pads, I'm sorry, they are pictures. So just add your little clips, the ones that you're going to add the pictures onto, and I did them all on one side because that's where I had more room, but again, depending on what you choose is where it's going to go. Now, if you want to pair this DIY gift with something else, I suggest pairing it with an Instapix camera, I think that's what it's called, or a happy planner, Erin Condren planner. Perfect gift for girls, not just for Christmas, birthday, anything. And I am 100% going to keep this DIY for myself. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you do recreate this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much, and have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.